How to convert an image to vector in Inkscape? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Create a new document or open an existing Inkscape file. Now go to File from the top menu. Click Import and select the image you want to convert. Choose your PNG or JPG image and import it into the document. Make sure the image is selected on the canvas. Now go to the Path menu. Click Trace Bitmap to open the image tracing options. For a black and white image, select the single scan option. Adjust the threshold to control how much detail is included in the trace. For a colored image, choose the colors or multicolor tracing option. Increase the number of scans if you want to capture more color and detail. Use the preview to check how the vector will look before applying the changes. If available, enable Remove Background when you want a transparent background. Once you're happy with the settings, click Apply. Inkscape will create the vector version directly on top of the original image. Drag the new vector to the side so you can see the original image underneath. You can now delete the original raster image if you no longer need it. The new vector can be scaled to any size without losing quality. You can also use the Node tool to edit and refine the vector if needed. That's it. That's how you can convert a PNG or JPG image into a vector in Inkscape. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.